Model, 2016 Renault Trafic Sport SL29 Energy dCi 120 needs turbo. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 136,099. MOT, the 17th of March 2025. Engine, 1598 cc R9M ENERGY 120 E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. The engine is perfect, just needs simple turbo replacement job. Clutch and gearbox are also good. Grin. Condition summary, the bodywork of this van is in great condition and really stands out from the crowd. You won't lose this in a car park. The spec on the inside is immense, and also being paired with a really clean interior will make this van a dream to drive. From the front to back, this van truly is in great condition and only needs a little mechanical TLC to make perfect. First to see will buy. Features: 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise control, electric windows, reversing camera, parking sensors, sat nav.